Hello everyone, welcome back. This video I am going to show you turn off TikTok location service in 2026 updated guide. If you are new here to my channel, please consider to subscribe it. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone, open TikTok application and make sure you can log into your current account. After that, look at the bottom menu bar where you can see various options. Find the profile option at the bottom right corner, tap to open it. Once you are in the profile page, click on the three dot hamburger or three line hamburger menu icon top right corner. After that, go to settings and privacy. Once you are in the settings and privacy page, scroll down slowly. Here you can find the content and display section under located the contact and location option. Click on them. After that, scroll down again. You can find the location services under while using or never. This time you can select never option. After that, click on open settings, then go to permission page, open location. Right now this option is set to allow only while using the app. If you turn off this time select don't allow. After you select it, tap on the back button and you are done. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share it with your friend. Goodbye.